There I was doing my thing at the gym. This guy comes up to me and he says, "You know Chamath?" And I was like, "What do you mean?" He says, "You're voting for Chamath." And then at that point, I realized, of course, I know what he's talking about. I had my vote for Chamath shirt on. So of course, I'm voting for Chamath. Who isn't voting for Chamath? Palihapitiya. And this guy says, "You know what? I found something out. I think I found something out that you might want to know. I'm guessing you're in IPOF. You didn't get out. You didn't get poofed, did you?" I was like, "No, I'm holding that. I mean, I might as well, right? Just sitting at the floor." Decided to send me some information. He said, "You know what? Get this out to the world. Let them know. Let them know before Chamath is out there flexing again." I said, "You know what? I'm going to do that." Did you know yesterday Chamath started flexing again? He actually found the password to his Twitter account. Almost like he lost it for a couple weeks. I don't know if it was that trip in Italy that he needed. Was it that? The good old boys had to have a shakedown out in Italy. I don't know. But he's back. He's back in fashion. He said, "Yay. P.S. We've been baking a new batch." What is he talking about? You realize one thing with Chamath is he tries to have that like mysterious thing to him, right? I'll take it, right? I like a good mystery. Yay. P.S. We've been baking a new batch. What is he showing here? The most efficient unicorn investors. Look who's number 2. First loser is Chamath himself, and he knows it. He's showing total unicorns backed 12 benchmarks ahead. What? Oh, but their 80% efficiency rate is what this is showing. Most efficient unicorn investors. He's the first loser. He doesn't like that. What is he saying? He's got a new batch, all right? Which means he's ready to beat benchmark. He's trying to flex. I'm glad he kept his shirt on this time. Did you know that when IPOF merged with Opendoor, remember Opendoor? They created an entity for the merger. Okay, so right before the merger, they created an entity. Guess what it was called? Hestia Merger Sub Inc. Does that sound Greekish? Maybe Mediterranean? Hestia is the goddess of domesticity and home. Oh, wait a minute. So, a couple days before Opendoor, if you don't know, it's the company you call if you just want to sell your home really fast for about 15% less than what you can sell it with getting a realtor going old school. They'll gladly buy it for 15% less than it's worth. So door home, right? Domestic home stuff. So they filed something called an entity called Hestia, which is a goddess. Registered agent was the corporation trust company. The entity created only 6 days before the Opendoor announcement. This gentleman let me know. When he said that, I was kind of intrigued. All right, that's Chamath doing these riddle things, the mysterious thing. But he's always kind of dropping information. Look at this though, gentlemen. Then let me know for IPOC, Clover. Remember Clover? An entity was formed called Tilius Merger Sub Inc. And that was created 5 days. So the first one was 6 days before. Second one was 5 days before Clover Health. Remember? Clover Health. Remember the videos and the photoshops on those? Before that was announced. So only about 5-ish days before. Lepses is the god of who? Medicine. You see this pattern? So the god of home, domestic, and then we get a home SPAC. And then the next one, he does a merger sub 5 days before, and it's the god of medicine. And what do we get? Clover Health, medicine. Same agent. Guess what? I'm intrigued at this point. Guy continues to carry on and says, IPOE. I was like, there's no way. Need another one, right? And he's like, yeah, have a seat. Set my weights down finally. I was at like rep 749. He said, IPOE, Sophie. I know y'all love Sophie. An entity was started called the Plutus Merger Sub, Inc. And that was 8 days before the Sophie announcement. I was like, dude, there's no way. There's no way. He said, bro, put your feet up. I put my feet up. He said, Plutus is the god of wealth. I was like, dude, you must have been playing some Assassin's Creed way too much, man. You've lost your mind, brother. He said, no, lay down. I laid down, right? I was like, all right. Lay down. He kept telling me some more stuff. Look at this. The same agent. You see that? Dude's giving us a hint days before. Same agent. Sounds like someone pretty creative is behind these. He said, when he said that, I looked up and I said, that's Chamaths, dude. Chamaths is doing this. He's laughing so hard. You know, he's texting this to his buddies, you know, with him with his shirt off in the background, being like, dude, I got this new one. Look at this, man. I'm going to call it Plutus. Got it well. It's going to be Sophie, bro. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Interesting, right? Well, if you don't know, Chamaths got about 47 other SPACs that still haven't found targets yet. Or have they? Because look what was filed on the 24th of last month. How many days ago? 6 to 7 days? Another merger sub Inc. with the name Aries. Y'all know Aries. Don't act like you don't know. It's the same thing. The dude pulled this out of his back pocket. He's like, I carry this with me. He's like, I keep looking at it. Keeps it in the dash of his car. Registered agent information, the Corporation Trust Company. The same one that did the other one. 1209 Orange Street. Wilmington, Newcastle, Delaware. Who lives there? I want to know. Is that like Chamaths' sister? I don't know. Will someone call this phone number tomorrow and let me know who picks up the phone? If it's Chamaths and he's on the treadmill or acting like he is, let me know. I think it'd be a great story to tell. If you don't know, Aries, remember, this just filed the other day. Aries, okay, we got to figure this out. Aries, in Greek mythology, was the Greek goddess of chaos. And right away I was like, you got me intrigued, bro. And he's like, dude, just relax a little. Untie your shoes. I untie my shoes. I'm chilling at this point. I'm getting tired, right? Still listening to the background music. Everything's good. I was like, chaos, man. That sounds like that could be a cool target. Like, what target is chaos? I could think of a bunch of crazy ones. And he's like, yeah, but what about this? What about this one? The word strife, does that mean anything? I'm like, yeah, that sounds terrible. Chaos, strife. I was like, that's kind of how SPACs have all been. Maybe, I don't know, man. He's like, well, how about this last word? Aries, Greek goddess of chaos, strife, and none other than what? Discord. Let me say that again. Chamaths, past 3, he has literally told us the place it's going, the past 3, all right? Number 4, the IPOF here, that was just filed 6-ish days ago, is Aries. The target has got to come any day now, tomorrow or the next day. And it's going to have to do something with chaos, strife, or Discord. I'm thinking Discord. Discord, ding, ding, ding. I know y'all know Aries. Aries, mysterious. He's trying to be mysterious. More information on Aries. Let me know if you see anything else or any other things that might stick out. Maybe strife. Nah, that's pushing it maybe. How about that? Strife? Nah. I'm kind of going on this one still. Looked up more information. Yeah, get this. He started reading me this. The Roman Discordia. In Greco-Roman mythology, personification of strife. She was called the daughter of Night. Daughter of Night? Michael Knight? Knight Rider? Are we getting some Knight Rider? I don't know. But she was a sister and companion of Ares, the Roman Mars, in Homer's version. Ares is best known for her part in starting the Trojan War. I was like, yeah, Trojan War, man. I seen that Brad Pitt movie, bro. Is there some sort of target, like a Trojan War, maybe? Or is it just Discord? Is it Stripe? Let me know down in the comments. Check this out. More and more clues. I ain't done yet. At this point, he starts shaking up one of those shakes in the shaker bottle. He said, just relax, man. Have something to drink. Here, I made a shake for you. I was like, give me the shake, man. Started drinking the shake. He said, all right, get this. Sophia. I've been trying to figure this name. I haven't actually been trying to figure out this name. I've been butchering this name, saying the pronunciation of it for years now. I suppose I could have looked it up and found out it's two Greek words, Hedon and Sophia. Oh. Okay, I get it now. May 13th, 2021, Osborne set up Sophia in 2012, named after the Greek gods of pleasure and wisdom, aiming to specialize in early stage tech firms. Would you look at that? Guess how much Chamaths has burned in cash in the past quarter, I think. 3 months ending June. $2.15 million. That's got to be the biggest money burn I've ever seen. Is that how he's taking those trips to Italy on his private jet he supposedly doesn't own? Might own? I don't know. Not too sure. Something to keep in mind. He's burning that cash doing something. Whining and dining. I don't know. If you don't remember, check it out. You know, Microsoft was in talks to buy Discord. If Microsoft wants to buy your company, it's probably pretty cool. But they backed out. Well, did they, or did the deal just fall through for some other reason? Maybe Chamaths just kept sending pictures and they finally gave in? I don't know. The chat startup has decided to remain independent as it resumes interest in a potential public offering. Interesting. That was back in April. It's kind of interesting too. Dragoneer, remember that? Remember when people were like, dude, Dragoneer's gonna get Discord, bro? I kept saying, nah, bro, it's not gonna happen. Dragoneer expected to lead Discord round at $15 billion. So this kind of just came out though. This is kind of weird. Saying video game chat business expected to raise over $500 million. Startup shun takeover interest from Microsoft and others. This just came out like, I don't know, a week ago. So, can you ask me this? Are these raises here? Are these common with SPACs? Can you answer that? I'll answer it for you. It's not common, but for big SPACs, this happens all the time. We'll see a big, huge raise. I think it's used to justify big evaluations like $15 billion, even though Microsoft was willing to pay that in April. Right, so then the gentleman let me know I was all wrong. He said, Dragoneer. Is it really a private raise, or are they participating in PIPE? Okay, because this is kind of one of those rumor things from Bloomberg. It didn't say leading IPO only, right? So that totally makes sense. This brother knows Chamaths, man. Not only that, Discord, they're totally going to market. They're hiring store manager stock administration in San Francisco. Though they're getting ready, totally. Director of technical accounting and SEC reporting, they're hiring for at Discord. Yeah, that engineering manager for revenue. Yeah, I get it. If you couldn't be more discreet about your lifestyle, I think in Chamaths fashion, he would love to announce a banging target for IPOF right on his birthday, or maybe the day before or the day after his birthday, something like that. Chamaths' birthday is Friday. I could totally see him flexing on that. Y'all remember this though too? This was a big deal, and I never liked this either. I didn't get it, but FMAC, remember that ticker? I still like that team and all that. But this is a huge rumor going around, not by me this time. SPAC stock is a speculative buy amid Discord merger rumors. First, Mark Horizon Corp. Watch my video on them if you haven't. It's a fantastic team. Stock jumped 32% in February amid a rumor of possible merger with Discord. The rise in FMAC SPAC stock is another reflection of the speculation. The SPAC names FMAC, blah, blah. It didn't work out, and it was just a rumor. They were about $430 million SPAC. I don't know. Seems slightly low. IPOF, a little bit bigger, probably a little bit bigger of a chunk. Sweet, maybe give us 7% or something like that. I don't think anyone really cares about that. It's all about the flow cool factor. Could Discord run? Do you think Discord and this could save Spanx? How do you sell them? SPACs. What the gentleman asked, and I replied, I think it could. Why? Mainly because of Chamaths, dude. People love him. The guy's really good at telling stories. He's really good at leading you on, dragging you through lots of stuff, drama, this mystery drama stuff. And I mean, just hearing all this stuff this bro was telling me, it blew my mind. I ended up finishing the protein shake, and the second I set it down, the guy disappeared. I don't know where he went. Looked to my left, looked to my right, up, down, the guy was gone. I don't know if it was like the ghost of Chamaths or like one of those hologram things they shot down from the ceiling, but I had to get this video out. It's super late. I'm super tired, but I had to do it for y'all. Are we going to get an LOI tomorrow morning? Maybe the next day? Maybe on Chamaths' birthday, man. Couldn't you see a tweet, something like, here's my one-pager, or I'll give you my one-pager this weekend once I'm done celebrating my birthday. Because it's my birthday, buy my stock. IPOF, buy it now. Sweet, because guess what? I'm already in it. I hope you are too, because not only are the commons pretty much floored out, but the warrants are too. They're almost all-time lows. Before I forget, IPOF ran today. Really? Yeah. A SPAC, non-LOI, no news, nothing. It was running. What does that usually mean? Remember those texts I was telling you that Chamaths probably sent it to his homies? He probably made them figure this out, like was giving them clues the whole time. Even Elon Musk, Hey man, I'm gonna give you some clues. Try to figure it out. It's a riddle. Maybe Elon Musk figured it out and bought IPOF. He's like, dude, I'm not gonna figure this out. Just what's the ticker? IPOF. Okay. Big money was piling into IPOF right at the end of the day. Why? It's usually because insiders know something. Are you already in? Have I lost my mind? Let me know down in the comments.